So hey guys, it's Sasha Storm 458 here, and today is our second unboxing. We're unboxing this $150 drone. Oh my god, this is going to be so epic. By the way, here's my new Nerf gun that I got. See right here. I still need to put batteries on it with the scope. I already customized it like this. So anyways, I'll start. Oh, my sister arrived from outside. And yeah, we'll start. I need to grab some scissors right there. I got some scissors and we're gonna start unboxing the drone. Woohoo! Right. There's a tape ring around here. Right there, I got the tape out. Let's do this. And look at this, we have a case right here. I think the drone should be inside the case. By the way, here's my friend Aliona right here. I'll open this case. Let's see what's in this mystery case. We have some... Oh, I thought it was papers, but it's instructions. Yeah, this small thing. Oh, and the best part, the drone. Okay, I'm gonna unbuckle the case. Oh my god, look at the drone, it's so cool. Oh my god, so cool. I don't know what are these for, but I'll learn about them soon. This is a charger. Right here is a controller. Here's just small paper right here. Oh my god. Right. Took off these. I have to throw it over here. There's a tag right here. And this is epic. There's a camera right here, hopefully. Super good. Let's cushion out. Oh my god, this is so cool. My kitty's here. See his friend. My sister and my friend are literally singing outside. Shoot. I just have to. There. And I'm going to take out the instructions manual. I don't know how to turn this on. No. You see, this is a controller. Wow, look at this. This drone's so cool. It's way better than my old one, which is around half of the price. Yeah, this is my old drone's remote, which is Snapchat. I don't want to do a test flight because I don't really know the basics of the drone yet. But I'll start learning and then I'll start doing film in the air, which is going to be really cool. So that was shorter than the Nerf gun unboxing, I think. I don't know, but for the Nerf gun, I'm also going to add a testing scene. Once I get the batteries, though. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe to Sasha Storm 458 and hit notifications. See you later. Bye.